Make mac and cheese with me. Today's Saturday here as I'm doing the voiceover on this video. It's actually an old video I had in my phone, and as I was going just cleaning out my phone, you know, sometimes we have to clean it out and take out some of the old things we have. I realized this was such a good video, so I'm about to post it, but it's a bit noisy behind me. Hope it's not coming up too much on the on this voiceover. So as we look at this right here, yes, I did grate a little bit of onion. I just like the little taste in it. I'm not a big on onions, but I did do that, put a little bit in my cheese sauce just so that I can get the taste, and I grate it on the very fine one that you don't, basically you get like the juices of the onion. All right, so I put my all my different cheeses, and I did have a lot of different cheese. Okay, mix it, make a cheese sauce, mix it with the macaroni. I did bit by bit mix it with the macaroni, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I can't remember everything I did, but apparently I put a whole stick of butter, and then I put some mustard in it as well, and then I mix it up. I know I did taste as I go. I am buttering my dish, my Pyrex dish. There you go, as you can see that. And then I add some of the macaroni that has been in the cheese sauce, and then I layer it with the shredded cheese as well. Wow, I remember that was a really good one. Then I put some more macaroni, then I would layer it again. I would put, and this would be the end of it, then I would put some more shredded macaroni cheese, sorry, on the top of it. And now we are ready for the baking process. Yes, so there it is. It's looking all good. I'm trying to clean up. I'm setting my oven and everything, and now don't mind my oven. It's not the best, in the best condition, but I tell you, look at this macaroni and cheese. There we go. Yes, it was so good. I gotta try it. Let me try it, Cindy. There we go. I'm trying to fix things up on the side there, and look at this. Yes, it was really, really good. I hope you get to try it, or if you do a recipe or something like that, let me know how it comes out, or even your own recipe. Just let me know, okay? Tell me if there is something that you usually do. Anyway, go ahead and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.